Push. Yeah. Yeah, ball that. You that the first. Forward. Gentleman from Ministry of Health seems to be injured. So playtime has stopped for a minute. Ball. Push a foot.
That's it, that's fine, that's fine. Come on! Come on!
Clear. Cleared. Cleared.
Follow, 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 follow!
DJ Fletcher.
That's fine, that's fine.
Walk across, walk across!
Get back on the match card.
Step across, Malik, step across! Well done, Christoph! Well done! Well done!
Cleared. Yes, huge.
What do we stop? Reset from the goal now. One with it, Malik.
Come on, forward, forward!
We have to get the ball up there. Jesus.
That's fine.
All right, Leighton.
That's fine. Put pressure. Step up the pace. Step up. Step up.
Come on, Papa. Number 6 man.
Yo, I'm playing that money. Yo, the cleats. Where's that? Grab it at the money now. I hate that enough.
Ah! Jay can't catch it.
Come inside,
Easy.
Jay. Come on, Jay, help the man now.
What is that?
Maggie him different cleats.
On the field. Angelica, easy does it. Praise God Almighty.
Inside, help 6 seconds.
Up there now. What Tyler look for?
Run it, Jay, run it.
No man, I must 6 feet the car, mother.
Yes, youth. Well done.
Well done. Jay, you have to listen to him, Jay. Double. Play off the last man. Play off the last man. That's fine, Ethan. That's fine. That's
Good
fine.
job, Ethan.
Ethan, up to the edge of the box. Yeah, come back.
But I'm eating.
Direct.
Indirect free kick. Goalkeeper touched the ball twice after saving.
Run to the ball! Run to the ball!
Excellent. Excellent. Step, step, step! We're done. Up with it.
Number 6.
That's fine, that's fine. Up, up,
And number 6, Charmian, look good. Number 6, a page drop, number 6, a drop.
Give a care now.
That's fine, Kyle, look. Oh, Jay, jump, sir.
Yes, youth.
Well done, Jordan.
Up with it, Jordan. Up with it, yeah, Jordan. Yeah. But then I'm laughing.
Corey, you know what you do, Corey! Corey, you know what you do! Make front player! Make front player!
That's off there.
Hey.
That's all the midfield. One, the midfield.
Take it, take it.
Can you hold that feet? Sit there.
Yeah! Ah! Oh, youth.
Good job, Lisa! Good job! Oh, Lord!
Shine! Shine, this who that crosses so? Oh, back behind the fence.
I don't know.
They're my root for you.
Them are the from our side.
You sure?
Am I real? Am I real from?
Okay. Yes, youth. No, man, you can't get that.
Yeah, man, let's go.
A number 6 that?
No, man, number 6.
Step!
Yes,
Come
youth. Yeah, man.
in, good
yeah, that was a good goal.
Well, you know I defend.
Ministry of Health has struck the first blow. One to the Ministry of Health and Wellness, 0 pick up.
On the Travis. I saw this.
Shy, what's so loud of stuff? You want him for here where you say that? No, man, yeah.
He might change. Corey, he's changing. Alright.
Stop yelling! Why are you yelling? Vamos, you know what, Dan?
Here, G. Yeah.
Let me check it. Check
Well
it,
done,
man.
Lita, well done.
So, make sure you check it.
Lita, come to the edge of the box. Come to the edge of the box.
No.
Malik, what are we doing, Malik?
Where's the? That won't stay away. Corner kick.
Christoph. Christoph.
No, I'm not going to pressure.
It's about the way.
Push your foot!
Perfect. Follow the man, not the ball. Follow the man.
Lucky me. Lupa my ID when I come in. I'm like, what?
Left foot ball!
Hey, Maddie.
Hey, boy, that. Bad boy, that.
What the next ball left? Watch this.
Well done.
We can do a defender now, right? I really left to a defender. Pressure.
Win it.
Clear ball at you know. Nice.
man. Switch the side now. Push a foot. Yes. There you go. Out with it. Not fall, man. You fall like fly, man. Come on, man. Get up. Get up. Let's try to get that penalty just now. We don't know what that's for. What that's for? I don't know this.
So I said, if we get kicked out with a cough,
Yeah. No, I mean. Yes. J, I guess a J for that for real. Enough for them on a midfield after.
I'm gonna learn.
I got this, don't worry. I got this. I don't want to feel like I come here for. Slippery out now. I really just stop on them stars now. And just stop.
Good job, China!
The man is like a flea. Yes, Chris. Okay. Home, Alex. Yeah, forward in the same way, you know. Dog, cool please. Now after them, after when they get a big kick down the snow, they're not getting that. They're not getting that.
Elliot needs to watch the ball.
What? Yo, what that? Yes, ref. Yellow. Pull out the yellow now. What that?
What?
Wait there. L. I want to. Wait there. I will get kicked down.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
Why the ministry to jump like fly, man? Medic. Referee up the call it. They can get well.
Alex, drop the pants. Ah, Chaka!
Out with it.
Your hand, Linton, your hands, then, your hands. Linton.
Yeah, but you need to use
Secure.
and secure the ball. You understand that too?
I think I just naturally
Find space. Find space, Malik. Find space.
Press. What happened?
Man, kick him boy up. Oh my God.
Why do you pick the cup up?
Bala.
So excited to see my friend. I saw your color.
So who am I passing to?
Travis, secure this, Travis. I hear this. Alright. I don't know who that was. Jay get this. And the ball drop him down. And the ball kick him down. No. They never kick him down. Come on, man. What's going on, man? Get up.
Him slip.
Get up first. Travis staying up here, man.
Yes, well done. Sit in front of the man, man.
Yes, keeper. Yes, keeper.
Well done, Linton. Well done. Shocking about a sweat. really good of this.
All right, Christoph.
Understand what? No one
Take it out!
Just like a little after, like maybe like 4:30. But you can see it. I mean, you can't see how much time as in terms of the duration, like with stoppage time. You understand?
Well done, Christoph!
Well done, Christoph! Well done!
Yeah.
Oh,
Long time I tell you about number 8. Long time I tell you about 8.
That's okay.
Stop going, man, God. Well, I go on now, I tell you.
Whenever the 8 is a true ball, like I'm doing, the 8, tell you about the 8, you know.
I'm off for tighten up right now, though.
Free kick. Oh, they did
Corey, help! Help set up the wall, Corey! Help set up the wall! So who the pan the far post?
That may look fun.
Who the post smash my man? I'm a professional of this bar free.
Smart move. Oh, shoot.
We play a good half time, though, Cardwell.
Them just have to score one before you don't go on, don't they? Have to.
Had to.
Nah, choke my body.
Exactly. And he just come back.
And
So,
just come back.
yeah. It's the action.
Off a high key.
Good work, Krista.
Yes, you.
Good, Krista.
Half time. Oh, that. And now 43 minutes. 43 seconds. What time? Yeah, but we start the game when them line. We start this when them line up. You know. So it should be way more than this. So I don't know what I want. The time. Match will resume in a few minutes.